In this video, we're going to go from this to this using this, some of this, and probably some other stuff. Oh.
Okay.
And this. Because I need to repaint it, right? Hopefully that's the right color.
What color is that?
Alright, so I have a couple little girls around here that play with stuff they shouldn't sometimes, and one of them grabbed a hold of the towel rack and, as you can see, yanked it right out of the wall. So I need to patch this hole, repaint it, and then put the towel rack back up. So this is how I'm going to repair it. There's multiple ways you can do something like this. A better way might be to just cut that out and put some sheetrock in there, patch it back in. I think this is small enough that I can get by with using some of that screen, that webbing over it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean this out. Fixing your mess up.
Yeah. Good job.
Thank you. Looks great, don't it?
Yeah?
Yeah. Alright.
Alright.
I think that's reasonable. And just so you know, I'm definitely not a professional. If you've seen my channel or any videos on it, you probably understand that by now. This is just how I would do it, not how a pro would do it or anything like that. Oh, that's cool. It actually comes with some sandpaper to sand that back down. So, sand that down a little bit right here. That's a big patch. 4-inch patch. Probably should look at the size before I purchased one of these. It's pretty big.
Yeah, babe.
It's big. Let's see what happens here. Cool, huh?
Let's try it. Cool. I like it. Let's try it. I like it. I got two. I got it. Look, I got two.
Love you too, sweetie. It's fixable.
Thank you.
It's fixable. Okay, now I'm going to let that dry and then we'll come back and put another coat on it. This type of spackling, you know when it's dry when it turns white. So that's kind of nice. You have that color. So you can see, and it should be white as you'll see right now. Alright, then next I'll sand this off. Okay, well, I'm hoping this is the last sanding. I'm just going to use sandpaper. So make sure the edges are feathered real good, like right on here. That edge is feathered good, but you can still see the grid marks there. You can still see the lines there, so I'm gonna put a little bit more on there. I'll probably push it up a little bit further. And then this right here needs a little bit more on that. Alright, finish up sanding, get it smooth as you like. Again, make sure all the edges are feathered out. Okay, so I got it where I want it now. I'm going to wipe it off real quick. And put some paint on it. There we go. And the only reason why I use the heat gun is this is the toddler's bathroom and they're going to be in here before long. I wanted it at least mostly dry. So there we go. It's not perfect. I'm probably going to put another coat on it because I can see a little right here. Down here looks good. You know, I'm going to go ahead and do that. What do you think? Go for it. There we go. Got the towel rack back on. Could have done a little better job smoothing right around here. And who knows, I might go back and do that. Or I might not worry about it too much. So anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.
Cool.
Cool, huh?